Good morning all, my blog's here, aka Ian. A few of you have reached out to me and asked what's inside the lounge here at Radisson Blu, so lounge access inside the hotel. I've been here a few times, done a few videos, but I haven't done really kind of main clips of the lounge or a video just on the lounge. So I'm going to take a quick scan round. I'm in just now, as you can see behind me. So yeah, pretty quiet and there's not anyone in here just now, so that's why I want to do it just now, because I don't want to walk around with a camera and invade other people's privacy. So it's a good idea now to do it. So sorry, I'm distracted by a plane, because it's a great view from here as well. So let's have a look around. There's not any really food out just now, but when that does happen later on, because I'm pretty much all day here today because I fly out tomorrow, and I'm going to be just chilling around the hotel, the airport, and in here today editing videos and just relaxing, so until I fly out tomorrow to Orlando. So yeah, let's have a look around and hopefully this video helps. So coming in, you'll notice it's very relaxing, but the first thing I notice is the view. Got these windows, this wrap-round window all the way around, giving you this amazing view of the runway and all the planes all parked up, and plenty of cars in the car park. It's not a great day weather-wise. It's raining as usual this time of year. You've got these seats on this side, little table there, a footrest, and then coming more central, you've got double couches with bigger tables, single couches, or chairs, some chess, big couches over there. No, that's chess. What was I looking at there? Right, that's chess. So as I said, there's not much out just now. There is crisps, a candle. Oh, look at them. All to myself, nobody here. There's no alcohol out just now. If you're looking for the glasses are that side. Alcohol will be there, I'm sure. There's nothing out food wise. Drinks wise, you have that, so Coke and Schweppes. You have coffees and yeah, there's a tea as well. Yeah, hot water, tea, your teas. All here, Twinings. What's this here? Sugar. And your sugars, napkins, milk, and your mugs are here. You do have some biscuits, so some border biscuits here as well. Again, I'm all here to myself. I could have them all to myself. This is where I was standing for the intro. I love this view here. I might sit and steal this. Is there a power outlet? I might sit here to edit my videos, because look at the view you get of all the planes just sitting. You get Aer Lingus, TUI, Ethiopian Airlines, TUI. Yeah, it's such an amazing view. I love coming in here, just like a pre-travel day or a travel day, to get it started, nice and relaxing. So in the corner that I started the intro, I have found 2 double sockets and USB points. Looks like I will be sitting here to do some videos and chilling today. Got a plane has came in there, TUI. the rain has stopped. Good times, good times. And to be fair, next to every double couch you can just see these kind of this area here. You can see some double sockets and USB points there. And there as well. Not seeing any here. Oh, there's some there. So there is quite a few points there as well. Yep. And I don't know if there's any down here. Let's have a look. Yeah, there's some there, so just hiding there. I never seen them the first time I looked, so it just shows you. And there's a plane just taking off there, on its way to wherever it's going. They also have some double sockets and USB points there and there, just where the TV is. So hopefully you found that video useful. Again, I was starting to get busy tonight, so I couldn't really get much clips at night time because, again, I don't want to put camera in people's faces. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye.